Hello traders, good evening. Good evening traders. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Okay. Yeah, hi everyone. Good, I'm audible to you. Okay. So recently what I have just observed here is US market has opened. Now here this was the recent swing low, right? So from swing low to swing high, okay? If I draw the Fibonacci levels. Now where is market taking support? It is taking support at 0.618 level of Fibonacci. This I am saying on a 15 minutes time frame. So usually this can be the area where buyers can reattempt to enter the market because there are some stop losses here. To hunt the stop loss, market can move towards the upside. Okay, there is 50% chances of this. So quickly, what I'm thinking of doing right now is I'll just choose, let's say we'll go with less quantity initially because stop loss is kind of small. Stop loss can for this trade will be kind of big. So on a 15 minutes time frame, you understood 618 level is a strong support zone, right? So from here, if buying pressure starts, a bigger momentum towards the upside can be possible, right? So I'll just place this order. Maximum, what will be the stop loss? This low, little below this low, I'll place my stop loss. So what is this price? I'll go here, copy the price, and I will paste it here. 230. Sorry, what happened? Okay. See, stop loss for this trade is big traders because market formed a double bottom here, right? So in case market moves towards the upside to hunt the stop loss, I can try to capture bigger moment. So that is why I have entered the trade here. So we have taken long position. This is my entry. This is my stop loss. For this, one is to first I'm thinking up to this level. If market continues, definitely bigger movement is possible. So I thought, okay, let me enter. If it hits my stop loss, nothing can be done. But since we are going opposite to the trend, so it is important that we keep trailing a stop loss. With that logic, I've just entered the market. Is my view clear? Usually I come live somewhere around 8:15, 9 o'clock, right? But this setup looked attractive. So that is what I thought. I could see continuous selling pressure, buyers entering the market at the zone. So I thought, why not? Only problem here is risk is around 700 points here. So for that, we are trying to capture bigger movement, 1300, 400 points. So target is big, but best thing what we can do is if the market starts moving towards the upside, maybe I can get off the stop loss to cost. With that view, I'm just I've entered the market. Is the view clear for you guys? Just tell me. See, this is the logic. I'll show it to you very clearly. From recent swing low to swing high, I've drawn the Fibonacci level on a 15 minutes time frame. In this observation is market is continuously taking support near 618 level. Okay. Once it tried to be bullish, it formed a double bottom here. So from here, if the trend continues, bigger movement can be captured. With that logic, I have entered the trade. Since stop loss is kind of 700, 800 points, I have reduced the quantity. All these examples is for you guys only. Randomly, you should not be taking quantities just because they're giving leverage. Because anytime market can reverse and hit the stop loss, right? So we have to, based on the stop loss, we have to manage the risk. So from 618 level, if the market corrects to 0.5, or if it goes to 382 level, bigger movement I'll be able to capture. With that logic, I have traded. This is a crucial zone. In the community group also, before I come live, I've shared, okay, this is no trading zone. Bearish side if market goes below this, bullish side if market goes above this, because there are some stop loss hunting levels here. But still, why I took the trade at the zone? Because one opportunity is there for me to capture near 618 level support. So more than this, I cannot give the stop loss. If I give the stop loss more than this, then next bigger stop loss is near 786 level, right? So much big stop loss can I give? No, right? So double bottom market has formed. So I have thought of entering the trade. I have done it as per my risk capacity. Market can also go in opposite direction, right? Since at 94,760 level, shorts are there. Where? 94,760 here. See, here market momentum is there. At this breakdown, yes, people have entered shorts, means where is their stop loss? Their stop loss is on top, right? To hunt their stop loss, market can move towards the upside. I'm trading based on stop loss hunting. I'm not thinking of re-entering at this double lower high level. My goal is market is open from here. If it moves, it can hunt the stop loss for a while. Then market can settle. By then I might think about exiting. Your view can be correct or my view can be correct. It all depends on whose side market wants to go. You are going based on price action, but I am going based on stop loss hunting. That's all is the difference. Hello Dheeraj sir, welcome to the live stream. Now traders, those of you who took the trade along with me, if you want, keep trailing your stop loss. Okay, market has started to move towards the upside. We'll quickly keep trailing our stop loss because we are going opposite to the trend. Let the market know what it wants to do. Let it do. If you are entered along with me, if you are happy with the profit, you book. Yokesh Sundar sir, you understood my view? Near this zone, you said market can correct, but I'm thinking about stop loss hunting. So these people stop loss will be on top, or it can be at this zone. So market at least up to this zone it can go, near this blue level. So what we will try to do, okay, as much as market is moving towards the upside, we'll keep trailing our stop loss. So whenever we think, okay, more than this, we cannot hold the trade, we will think about exiting. So goal right now should be keep trailing our stop loss. What time I entered here. From here, how much points? 700 points already. If you have entered 100 units, it is already $70 profit. It completely depends on where you have entered, what quantity you have entered. Now, as per what sir say, this area can be the pressure zone. From here, people can think about entering, put option side or bearish trade. But from here, again, if market moves towards the upside, my target will be achieved. Okay. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, please support the channel by liking the video and let me know your name in the comment section. I will announce. Okay. Sharad sir, Hema Chandar, Yokesh Sundar. Hopefully you have liked the live stream already. Bharat sir, good evening. Now, yes, I can see some kind of pressure at this zone near this resistance, right? Hopefully, if this level breaks, bigger movement can be captured. Those of you who have already entered with me, around 700 points momentum we have got. If you want to think, if you're thinking of exiting, you exit, no problem. Now, by the time I explain the setup to you guys and I take entry only, momentum started, or else I would have entered somewhere here or at this zone. Hopefully, these people are there, right? To hunt their stop loss if market moves up, that would be a good thing for us. Even if it consolidates, it is better it reaches the target. Something like that I'm looking at. If you made the profit, you're happy with the profit, think about exiting. Hi sir, your session is very useful. Ilan sir, thank you so much for the feedback. Thank you so much. When can we know market is stop loss hunting or will follow price action? Price action and stop loss hunting happens in sync. Okay. So here market is gone up to this level. From here, if it is moving towards the downside, that means price action is happening, right? Here maybe you will place your stop loss, you will take your entry. If the movement happens, you will capture the moment. But if stop loss hunting is trying to happen in the market at these zones, market wants to remove, it wants liquidity because continuously it is falling. When market is continuously falling, everybody will be thinking of entering a put at every pullback. At some point of time, to create liquidity, market has to reverse, or people who entered at the upper level, those who entered at the upper level. So at some point of time, they will start booking their profit, right? So when they start booking the profit, market can continue the upside move. The stop loss hunting, price action, all of these concepts already I have explained in our YouTube channel. It is already available in our course also. Our course students can understand these things easily. Importance of Fibonacci level and things like that. See, this is what I'm saying. Stop loss hunting. All this is stop loss hunting, traders. This is how we capture bigger movement. We should not be scared to take risk. Now everybody will be in profit. Okay. Now if you want, you can exit here. At this current level only you exit. No problem. You don't have to wait for the target. That's up to you. That's up to you. That's your mindset. Hopefully, if these people stop loss also, if market is trying to hunt, one more movement is possible. I'm just showing you the potential of how we can capture big movements in the market using price action and stop loss hunting. That's it. Now, from the time I entered, how much point movement is this? You tell me. 1300 points. It's up to you. You want to exit, you exit, because market can correct again, hit my stop loss and then move towards the upside. Yesterday for many people I said 1:5 risk reward is there. If you want, please book, right? Many people who booked, they were happy, but my stop loss got hit. Now you have to decide. Profit is good, right? Just give me 1 minute or 2 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, those who want to book your profit, please book. Let my trailing stop loss be here. Okay, nothing for me to worry. From here I've got my stop loss here, sorry, here. I'll be back, just give me 2 minutes. How many of you captured the moment? How many of you captured the moment? Let me know. Now, from the time I gave this update, around 1300 points. So hopefully if the uptrend has to continue, this can be the initial push also in the market because it was attracting more people. Then from here market can correct. That possibility is there. But what I'm thinking is, instead of targeting these people, if market wants to target these people stop loss, little more movement also is possible. Those who want to exit already, please exit. Don't wait for me. I came late, so I missed it. Okay, sir. No problem. No problem. Next time. Next time. See, community members group, even at this breakout with small stop loss, if you had entered the trade based on the update what I gave at 8 o'clock, at this zone, small stop loss, how much movement here? 800 points. Definitely your risk would have been small here. Sorry, I missed the entry. Okay, sir. No problem. No problem. Okay, some of you might ask, sir, why is there 1 lakh, right? So here, if you see, today another 1 lakh I have withdrawn. Last time 77,000 we withdrew. Today 1 lakh. Okay. So that is about it. Just in case. So here, Fibonacci levels. If I draw the Fibonacci level, here my stop loss is bit near this 382 level. After this continuous move, market can either correct near 0.236 level and reverse, or it can come down, hit my stop loss and later reverse. These are the two probabilities, but based on my setup at the upper level, we should be getting an opportunity on the bearish side. So what I'm thinking is, should I exit or not? Here actually we have to plan for a bearish setup. So what I will do, I will exit this trade. Okay, I'll just close this trade because there is a contradiction between our setup and as well as it's okay, little what, so much points we have captured, no problem. Now we will see from 236 level, if it takes support and moves towards the upside, yes, continuation can happen. Market might try to target people at this zone, but there is a contradiction based on our strategy itself. So here I will take that as an intimation for me to exit from the trade. We'll wait for the next opportunity. Maybe let's say market is forming a flag pattern or some kind of movement like this. Later if it gives a breakout, that I will try. Okay, first trade is done. If I'm live stream, one more setup if I get, we will see. Okay, exit please. Downtrend expecting. Can I trade with smartphone? You can trade with smartphone, but I would always suggest first what you need to do. First you need to uh, make the look at the market setup in a system. After looking at the system, after placing your stop loss target, then you can start looking on at your mobile phone. Maybe this target might be achieved, I don't know, we will see. Because our setup is forming, that is why I thought of exiting from the trade. We will see, traders, no problem. Oh, how much movement is this? 300 points this candle alone. Now what happened for others? Did you book your profit along with me? Is your first trade done? Can I enter now? Kanimuli madam, no. I have exited. I booked my profit and exited because there's a contradiction between the strategy and the setup. But it seems like market can continue. See, this is one range, tight range, traders. This range and this range. Market can come up to this level also. It might have hit my stop loss and later it would have moved. Yesterday I took stop loss, no, so I don't want to take that risk again. See, all these examples is just to show you in live market situation how we need to quickly decide what we want to do next. Okay, every 2 minutes 3 minutes views about the market will keep changing. So what is the market doing right now? It is near this upper zone, it is, and this lower zone, right? So here previously this was acting as resistance. This area was acting as resistance. Once this is broken, this can act as supporting zone. That's the first point. And this area previously it was acting as resistance. So within this zone, should we plan for any trade? Ideally, for many people, best thing will be to wait. Sorry, I missed the entry. Okay. Rajeshekaran Gopal. Hello, sir. Our setup is forming. Yeah, that our setup is forming, traders. That is why I exited the first trade. The first trade is already done. We entered somewhere here. Market gave a movement of close to, I think, 1300 points, right? Yeah, 1300 points momentum we had got. We'll wait for a bearish continuation to plan for any bearish trade. Okay, now we'll keep our mindset a bit neutral. Okay, because continuously from 618 level market has moved towards the upside. This is a very crucial zone. In the future, if this level breaks, right, momentum towards the downside is possible. This has been the pressure zone. We'll keep a neutral mindset here. Okay, this is the support and this is the resistance. Hopefully if the resistance breaks, we can look for next opportunity, but ideally this should have been my target. We will see. Based on how market reacts, we will decide what we have to do next. But stop losses are above 95,800. That is what traders, above 95,800 there are some of people's stop losses. That is there, but meanwhile our setup also is forming. So what to do, I'm thinking. Either I have to look at the market based on price action, or I have to look at the market based on our strategy. So in this case, since I'm live, I'm going to look at things based on price action as of now, because market is holding on to this range. Now what is this range? You can see this is our, sorry, my bad. What is this range? Market is taking support near 236 level, right? 236 level, this 382 level can be the supporting zone for market continuation. So if this movement continues, then market might go up and hit stop loss of people who are here. So should I take the second trade? That is what I am waiting for, this candle to close. But each candle's movement is close to 200-400 points. Sorry, I forgot that I'm on live stream. I am thinking it's not breaking this upper resistance, but shall I try little below 236 level? I'll copy the price. Should I buy? Should I buy? What do you think, traders? Will market move towards the upside from here? Why not? There is stop loss hunting levels towards the upside, so let me buy. Okay. Anyways, I should have held on to my trade, but what to do? Second trade. Okay. Hopefully. What just happened? Hmm. I am having this network issue. I don't even know what happened to my trade. Okay. Hopefully. This is the stop loss. This is my entry point. Market is near my entry point. By chance, if market wants to target these people, their stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, it can give a bigger movement. Okay. This can be the next setup. For that, stop loss is reasonable. I'm going to take that risk. How to avail BTC Ethereum scalper offer? I don't see that. See here, you see the scalper offer, no? You click on this, you get to know what it is. Okay, you have to join. Scalping duration is should be 15 minutes. It is only for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. Closing fee waiver for eligible traders. So those who want to do scalping, you can do within 15 minutes if you're closing your trade, no brokerage. Okay. This is the new offer. Now traders, if you want to join our crypto community group and you want to learn our crypto strategy, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. You can check it out. So if you're interested, you can see. The next stop loss hunting strategy, whatever I'm developing right now, it might take a while, but that setup I'll be sharing with you for free for anyone who opens account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. The link is there in the description box. You can check it out. Okay. It's just a crucial range. If the market breaks this range, we can expect continuation. Okay, no problem. Stop loss is small. I don't know what happened to my screen. Okay, I think market is deciding to hunt the stop loss. Hopefully if it breaks. See, my first trade target was here, right? We entered here. First trade target was here, but our setup also was forming bearish setup. That is why I decided to, close that trade, or else that would have been a nice moment for us. Home bunch points for that. I don't remember what time we entered, but 1400 to 1500 points move. Stop loss was here that time. Okay, no problem. Second trade we have taken. Anyways, with the profit what we have made, we are taking the trade. So even if the stop loss hit today, no problem. Cost to cost. From which time frame did you draw Fibonacci levels? Sir, I took 15 minutes time frame. Okay, with this I tried to analyze the market. What I understood was this was the recent swing low, this was the swing high. I drew the Fibonacci level. Market was respecting the 618 level. This is a zone where these buyers can re-enter and push the market towards the upside to hunt the stop loss. Okay, maybe at least up to 50% correction. That is why as soon as I came live stream at this zone only, I explained all the logic. You can go and watch the video from beginning after this live stream. So there we thought, okay, if my stop loss hits, then market can continue the downside. So one opportunity we have when I've come live, I took the trade. Now traders, I would consider the first target hit. Okay. Anyways, we exited the trade with profit only. Now we will see. Now people who are here, they are a bit worried. They are thinking, okay, market is near this resistance. From here it will fall. But their stop loss is little above or at the, no one who enters here, they would have kept stop loss here. But if these people little above, if they have kept their stop loss to hunt that, if market continues the trend, then bigger momentum up to this level also market can go. This is the concept of stop loss hunting. Okay. Now those of you who missed the first trade, did you take the second trade along with me? not big target from the time I entered, around 300 350 points, that's all. So for this trade, I don't think too much stop loss I have to give. I will trail. Okay, I will trail. Hopefully, if market removes these people, then upside, uh, I think this level, if market goes, then I expect market to stay sideways. Okay, by then maybe we can think about exiting. Dheeraj sir, you understood from which time frame I drew the Fibonacci levels? It is 15 minutes time frame. Yes, took. Okay. Kanimulli madam, I think first trade you missed, right? Second trade you have entered. Please ensure you're trading as per your risk capacity. Hi sir, just joined the live stream. I missed this trade. When is the next opportunity? Next opportunity, as of now, this breakout has happened. If, let's say, instead of hitting my stop loss, if market at some point of time, if it's moving towards the upside, let's say it goes up to this zone, maybe let's say it goes up to this zone, it corrects again. If it is giving a breakout above this level, or if it's coming to 236 level, previously this was resistance, now it can act as support. From here, if the continuation happens, then we can try to capture. As of now, these people stop loss hunting is kind of done. Hopefully market, even if it corrects a bit, gives a continuation. Okay, from this zone, no problem. This time I'm not going to change my stop loss. Either stop loss has to hit or this target has to hit, because anyways first trade we have made the profit, so that profit I will use it here. Dheeraj, yes, trend line above. Took the second trade. Okay, Dheeraj sir. Ashot sir, you're welcome. The first trade was good, right? Very nice momentum we got. The second trade, it is taking a bit of time. I think slowly market, if it starts moving towards the upside at this zone, we can expect correction. So by then we will book the profit and exit off. That is the plan which I have right now. Now those of you who's making use of the live stream, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It motivates us to make regular live stream videos like this for you. And those who want to become a part of our crypto community group and get access to our courses and our strategies for absolutely free of cost, please open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. The link is there in the description box. Okay, you can check it out. Traders, seriously, from this zone, how much? 2100 points. Volatile, too volatile. The main idea only was like market is continuously correcting. It is taking support near 618 level. From here, if the moment comes, good stop loss hunting can happen. So to a certain extent, 2000 points is a nice move only for us. Now at this zone, I'll think about exiting. Okay. Hopefully it gives me the continuation within one go, and then after, even if it gives a breakout, I'll just keep trailing the stop loss, let it hit the trailing stop loss, something like that. Hi, I'm new here, coming with very basic question. I know only Indian options. How this crypto is different from that? And what platform are you using for taking this trade? I'm using Delta Exchange platform, sir. If you are very new to crypto market, it it is no big different from trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty options, but crypto market is bit volatile. So instead of options, the idea for me is to trade in the futures market because we can get leverage. But at the initial stage, as long as you get comfortable, you should not be uh, taking too much leverage, right? In BTC, when you trade, they give you up to 200x leverage. Even with 10,000, 5,000 capital, you can start. They give you leverage, but that leverage don't exceed more than 25 or percent to 50x leverage. Don't exceed more than that. So if you want to learn the basics, right, of crypto trading using Delta Exchange, all you have to do is watch a free video which I have posted on YouTube. Okay, this is the video. Please go ahead, watch this video. You can get to know all the basic contents. You will get all the basic understanding about crypto, how to trade the futures market, how to play stop loss, target, all of these basics. There is a wick here. See, traders, as of now, people who entered here, right, at this bearishness and all, their stop loss might be here. I don't think they would have placed their stop loss at this zone. Correct? So, market now has lesser chance to continue the up move, but anyways, stop loss we have trailed, we have kept it reasonable. One more thing I can observe here is this pullback which has happened in the market. Up to what level market has gone? It has gone up to 786 level already, and it is still showing bullishness. So what I will do, since we are bit thinking that it is going to be a 50% chance, I'm going to reduce my risk. If you have taken the trade along with me, please do that as well. Okay, it doesn't matter if it hits the trailing stop loss. Already first trade we have made decent profit. Now if you're too worried market will reverse and hit your stop loss, book your profit here only. Okay, if you have entered with me, how much is the profit? Around 500 points movement already you have captured. You want to exit, please exit. We'll do the recommended. Okay, now traders, how are you getting used to this crypto market? What do you think about this? Now those of you who want to open account with Delta Exchange, the link is there in the description box below. You can check it out. By doing that, you will get access to our courses as well as this community group, right? This course is specially designed for crypto market. So if you're interested, you can consider to join the group. Okay, the account opening link is there in the description box below. Thank you for sir, share please your idea in beginning. Please share your idea in the beginning means I'm not understanding. For beginners, I have to say how to trade, or should I give beginners tips? All those things I've already explained. In the pinned comment, you see there is one YouTube video. In that, I have explained everything. Please have a look at that. It is Copy. What do you think, traders? Will the market go up to our target zone? What do you think? Now, if you see, stop loss for this trade is just $5. Exiting is $35. So hopefully, if you're happy with the profit, please think about exiting. It's up to you. Can you draw a trend line from 1 hour time frame? On 1 hour time frame, 1 hour. On 1 hour time frame, something like this you're talking about. Resistance, resistance. This can be the resistance, are you saying? It can act as resistance, but at least if it gives a breakout and then correct, my target at least will be achieved. Anyways, $5 is the risk. That's okay. That $5, I'm okay to take the risk. Good, you have highlighted to me. Traders, see on a 1 hour time frame, this area is acting as a resistance. This is one more reason for you to exit if you wish to. Okay. Like I always say, each person's mindset or the way how they look at the market will be completely different. Okay. There is no, it is not that the way how I look at the market is correct or how you look at the market is correct. It is just goes based on probability. How much confident was I at this zone? How much confident am I at this zone? It all depends on how I was continuously looking at the market, right? How many years I spent looking at the market. Maybe based on your setup, you would have got one nice, you know, nice strategy. If that strategy is working for you, you don't have to think about what others say. Only thing is you should have backtested the strategy as much as possible. So you should have seen the probability of that strategy working continuously in the market. Based on that, you can decide. As of now, this trend line is acting as resistance. No problem, I'll stick to it. Okay. Sorry, sir. To repeat, do you know why today market has been high as no stop loss are there in higher positions? I think I mentioned in the video already. One is mutual fund inflow of cash would have come. Okay, that is one reason. And one more reason is maybe slowly they are doing the accumulation before uh, to create liquidity during the expiry. If people want to uh, cover their long positions, for that slowly they're taking the market towards the upside. Many people as of now they are kind of bearish. To create confusion for them also, market would have moved towards the upside. And one more thing, I think next one meeting is there. In that, I think they have decided for bank 0.5% rate cut they will do. That is why banking stocks kind of moved today. I saw some news related to 35% GST and all those things. A lot of newses are coming, but see, first what happens, the moment is over in the market. After the moment is over, everyone will come up with their own reason saying that because of this market moved, because of these reasons market moved. But I personally feel they wanted to move the market towards the upside. That is why they are creating certain reasons. So they wanted to push the market towards the upside. That is why more liquidity was thrown into Reliance Industries and uh, HDFC Bank. So those are heavyweight stocks, something like that. I didn't participate, but watching. Okay. If falling starts, till when it will, till when it can, sir. Ma'am, if falling starts, as of now, it is moving up. No problem. See, this is the next resistance. This is where I kept the target. This is our second trade. Okay. Even if this trade completes, then our target will be booked. Sometimes after giving breakout, market can correct from this upper level. That possibility is there. I don't think market has too much power to target people who are here, right? Maximum maybe it can give a breakout at the zone and from there it can correct. That possibility is there. So before that, I'm thinking of exiting from the market. Now those who entered along with me already, you would have seen what, around 600 points move. So if you're happy with that, please think about exiting. Don't wait for me. As of now, market is moving towards the upside. No, madam. Here we will think. Okay. After achieving our target, here how market is reacting. Is it coming to 236 level, 382 level support, creating liquidity? From here again, it wants to move up. That time we will see the next setup. Okay. The present setup is almost over. Hopefully, if that is taken care of, target gets triggered, we'll be done. Okay, done. Done. Come on. Okay, done. Okay, done. So even you guys booked your profit. Little below this resistance only, I have kept the target. So everybody's second trade also done. Today was a good day. Our first trade, still I missed the first trade. 2060 points. Damn. It's like if you have taken 100 units, how much would be your profit for 2000 point movement? 2000 points movement into 100. Is it 2 lakh rupees? Okay. Now traders, sorry, I went ahead there. Now as of now, this area is acting as resistance. Okay. Now first this resistance, market did not give confidence for sellers. It moved towards the upside. Here it did not give them confidence. It moved towards the upside. Now at this resistance, people will not have confidence after looking at this move. Okay. But I feel to create liquidity, there is a chance. I can be wrong, but there is a chance to give them confidence again. Market can correct from this level for a while. Okay. So later at lower high, people enter. Later to hunt their stop loss, market can move towards the upside. Okay. With that logic itself, at this zone, I decided to exit from my trade. So 2 trades done. If it is continuing, let it continue. But I feel little selling pressure can be here. There is a high chance for that. So I'm not going to participate in any breakout setup as of now. Okay. So continuation towards the downside can happen. Up to what level it can correct? Maybe if we see this area is there acting as support. It is our Hmm. 236 level market is taking support. This is a consolidation phase. But from here, if market corrects again up to this zone, it can come. From here, it can move towards the upside. Okay. So I think probability of this happening is high. That is why I'm not going to take the third trade. Okay. Even if it gives a breakout here, let's say it gives a breakout here. I enter. Where is the next stop loss hunting? It is here. Will the market move up to this level already? For that 50% chance is there. So I'm not going to take that risk. Okay. So I this 1 hour live stream, I don't know how it went actually. Now up to what level this can be. No confidence traders, no confidence to enter a fresh trade until there is a correction. Okay, let the correction happen. Future, if market is giving any bullish move, maybe trend line breakout, then we'll be looking for call. Even though it is taking support at 236 level, I'm not thinking of participating for the third trade. Now in the comment section, let me know, did you guys exit? Ethereum is not moving like BTC. What happened to Ethereum? I'm having some issue with my internet traders, especially in the night. Ethereum is correcting right now. It's not moving like initially it gave the moment. Maybe at the upper the zone, if it had given a reversal setup, that would have been good for us. Anyways, Ethereum can correct up to this zone, and this zone. That possibility is there. Please have a look. Okay. Quickly it is moving towards the upside now. Some kind of bullishness it is showing, but no confidence for me as of now. So that's about Ethereum. BTC is trying to hold on to the upper level. I would suggest people to wait for some time because 2 trades is already done. We can't keep taking trades again and again, right? So this is acting like a correction zone, but I feel next to the stop loss hunting level is too far. By the time market moves towards the upside, those people might exit. If you still want to take a trade after this breakout, maybe with small stop loss you can plan, but I'm not going to participate in this particular trade because my mindset is not sitting here. Okay, so already 2 trades done, 1 hour 15 minutes live stream done. I hope you guys made some issue in browser and mobile for me, couldn't log in. Are you facing that issue all the time, sir? I'm not facing. Now, thank you everyone for participating the live stream. As of now, my view is at this zone. I will not plan for any trade. Market has continuously moved towards the upside. It can take some rest, create liquidity, and then move towards the upside. So already 2 live trades done. I think I'll be closing the live stream right now. I hope you guys had a good time. Thank you so much for participating. Before I close the live stream, share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates us to make regular videos like this. I will announce 5 names. Okay. Whoever, after liking the video, put your name in the comment section. I'll mention your name. Johan sir, what is it? Ethereum, no confidence for me, traders. It can go a little bit lower, right? It can come here, correct 50% and then create liquidity and move towards the upside. I'm not that happy with any setup right now. There is also a resistance. From here only, if it moves towards the upside, gives a breakout. Our setup is forming here, bearish setup. So keeping all this logic, I will not participate. If you already have a setup, maybe you can focus on that. As of now, market is just creating liquidity in BTC here. So don't want to participate here. My expectation is it can correct a bit up to this zone at least and later reverse. Okay, that's what I've been telling you from that time. So done. Two trades done. Bye everyone. Have a good day.